Preston at the live desk. Up until today, we've been dealing with very dry conditions, so dry and windy. It prompted Governor Scott Walker to issue a state of emergency. The dry and windy conditions raising wildfire concerns across the state. Walker called the declaration a precautionary measure to protect the state. The executive order allows for the state's Department of Natural Resources to step in and help fight the spread of wildfires. Now, earlier this week, the National Weather Service issued red flag warnings. They have since expired.